Good PM, ngayon po ay Monday, September 15, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, September 15, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong September 15, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, September 15, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for September 15, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, September 15, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.